Ibrahim, teacher at the Nice Smart Academy. I'm teaching set science. Today we are very happy because we started, we were able to learn more things and many things from Mr. Benjamin Oko. I myself, these are some of the things I have got from Mr. Benjamin Oko. From today, I have got to know that we can, when you fail, or a failure is not a blame, but it can give you a farm to another step. So when you fail, you can stand and you'll be the best in other things. And also, you know that reading by wrong mindset can lead you to fail. Also, reading by wrong mindset, this can be a route to your failure. And many things I said among this. Also, the good thing I studied from Mr. Benjamin Oko. Actually, it is new to me, but it surprised me and it is very good. He taught us that born in a poor family, it is not your brain or my brain. It could be a brain when you die in a poor family. So this surprised me, and it gave me some of the confidence that you can make it even if you are from anywhere, any place you came from, or no, any family you come from, even if it's very poor or not, you can make it. So this makes me to get firm and to be I can be the example and I can make it. Also, I got to know that he helped us to know that how can we express ourselves to the kids. The words we use in front of the kids also matters to their failure or to their development of mindsets. When you have a negative impact or negative words towards the kids, can help the kids to fail because of the words we use. So this helped me to know that there are words we can use which can help the kids to develop their mindsets. So there are many things added, but as time, maybe it is enough to me to understand to what I have understood from Mr. Cole. Thank you very much, and God bless you.